OKC beat Rockets in double overtime. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-tense yung laban. The OKC have opened the 2025-2026 NBA season with a wild 125 to 124 win, a double overtime over the Houston Rockets. On the night that the Thunder hung their championship banner and received the ring, reigning MVP SGA sunk with free throws with 2.3 seconds left in the second overtime to give OKC the win. SJ also the 15-foot pull-up jumper with 2.6 seconds left in regulation sent the game to overtime. With the score tied in the final seconds of the first overtime, Kevin Durant attempted to call a timeout for the Rockets despite Houston having none left. The referees didn't acknowledge his attempt, but if they had, it would be been a technical foul and Oklahoma City would we had a free throw with approximately 2 seconds left.